Good morning, Doc Dingers. Welcome back to the channel. We got another tournament video for you today. We are on Lake Murray for event number 8 for Queen City Kayak Bass Fishing. From what I saw last time, there was 99 anglers. First place, $2,000. Second place, I believe, was $1,000 or $1,500. Either way, that's a lot of money. That would be really awesome. Currently, I'm alone at my own launch, so that's really exciting. Maybe that's a good sign, maybe not so good of a sign. We're just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try something a little bit similar to the last tournament I did. I know it's kind of still early in September. We haven't had a lot of cold fronts. I know the water's probably got some low oxygen, so I'm fishing some little feeder creeks, see if I can fill up my limit that way, maybe get a couple good sized largemouth. I really like to try and get in top 10 again, so let's see how it goes. Enjoy the video, and we'll catch you at the end. Peace out. Oh geez, I can fish now. Okay, I'm gonna wait on the back camera because see 12 inches. Probably not. There we go. Holy crap. If he's 12, then he's 12, you know? Yeah, he's fucking 12. Thank you, buddy. Okay. 46 inches will make me happy right now. Just to start the day off, just to make sure like we're secure. We got a limit because number one is TOC. Like I want to get into TOC. So I think just gotta. This is gonna be one of those days I think where it's really tough for a lot of people. So we just gotta fill a limit. I don't know what is going on, but I think when we get to the top of this like creek, it could be really good. Or it could not. I could just have wasted my time going up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that risk because I just have this hunch that the water will be, yeah, it's like getting a little cooler. It'll be a degree or two cooler, and that will maybe, oh shit. Yep, that was a big fish. Very big, very big. Got him, got him. Oh, he come off, dude. Woo-wee, that's not good. And this, that was a good fish, too. Son of a gun. That'll be another one. Oh, hey, come off. Let's go for it again. I knew like at any moment something could bite, you know? And I missed it twice. It's alright. I don't think it's the only fish around, but it definitely sucks to miss one. Especially when we feel like it might be slim pickings. But I'm telling you, I have a really strong feeling. There's a lot of fish back in this creek. I can't believe I missed them, dude. I don't know if they came off. our bass would be back up here. Got some current. I don't see why there wouldn't be bass up here. Okay, just get over here. Well, it worked. Okay. So we're just trying to fill our limit. That's all we're trying to do right now. He was running straight at me. That was crazy. I'm gonna drop my anchors real quick. I had to freaking chase him down with my rod. He was really trying to like swim straight at me. This is gonna sound crazy, but this is my first South Carolina bass on a spinnerbait. I wanted to learn how to use them, you know? Like I want to learn how to utilize it and it to be a tool that in my toolbox, you know? What do you think? Probably like what do you think? Probably like 12, you think? Hopefully. Let's see. All we can do is hope, huh? If he's 12, then that's... No, he's 11 and a half. 11 and a half. Doesn't do the job. Dang, that was pretty crazy. We just keep trying. I mean, is there only gonna be small fish in here? I couldn't really tell you. There could be some giants. We just gotta keep trying. That's a good one. That wasn't like crazy shot. Okay, I was literally just kind of messing around and he just come out of nowhere and just cracked that thing. Okay, well, spinnerbait's playing. He's skin hooked, barely hooked. That's a keeper for sure. Now we can get a picture of this guy. He's probably 14, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Look at the size of that bowfin. Oh, he come off. No freaking way. Dang it, dude. All this grass got me freaking messed up. That was an absolute giant bowfin. Dang, dude. Y'all probably saw that. I hope you saw that. Dang it, dude. That was a freaking giant one, dude. Son of a gun. That would have been really cool. A cool picture, at least. Giant, dude. I mean, he was probably 5 or 6 pounds. That's a freaking giant bowfin, dude. I freaking put the spinner, I threw it, I saw him. I wasn't sure what he was at first, and I threw the spinnerbait. I hit him in the head with it and then stopped it, and he just ate it. That was freaking awesome, man. Did not expect him to do that, but unfortunately for me, he popped off. But I guess it's like, it's not really what we're targeting, but at the same time, it would have been damn cool to get him in the freaking boat. He really bent my spinnerbait up pretty good. Things are strong as heck, dude. What the? Ooh, I should retie. Dang. Who saw that coming, huh? Giant freaking bowfin. I thought it was a carp at first, but it was a bowfin. Oh, he's right there still. He was literally, I just set my spinner down and he just spooked off. He was like right there in the freaking. Okay, today is just one of those days where things are not. It's mostly my fault. I'm not being very organized with stuff, and I just keep thinking, oh, I don't need to turn my camera on. It's not necessary, and literally, like, I had it off for just a second. As soon as I turn it on, I caught one. Boom. We just got a little bit of wind, and I think that made a huge difference. So I think we got it's like a 13-incher, looks like. I'm thinking so. Spinnerbait. Who would have knew that I'd be using a spinnerbait all day? Huh? Did not see myself, never saw myself being like oh, I'm just gonna throw on a spinnerbait, because really I've never really had a lot of luck with a spinnerbait, especially here in South Carolina. I used to catch them in Colorado on spinnerbait. 13 3/4, baby. All right, well, you didn't get to see me catch it, but we got one, 13 3/4. That's our third fish of the day. Oh, we're fourth fish of the day, but third keeper. I think we're gonna move up quite a few spots. We're like 28th right now, but with this one, we'll probably move up to like 20th or so. So good stuff. I'm really excited. Just throw them back. All right, now for now, I'm just gonna leave the camera on because I'm probably gonna catch some more fish. I think I'm gonna keep fishing some of this wood here because it seems to be the magic. What's interesting is this area was really was really clear earlier, and now it's like, now it's kind of murky because of the boat traffic, but the wind and the boat traffic is actually working in our favor right now because it's making the fish get into the wood. But the only able to really get bites from on is the spinnerbait, so that's what I'm just gonna stick with. I kept thinking, oh, I need to switch. No, I'm just gonna stay with it. That's what they're biting. And what's crazy is these fish keep coming right at me. I don't understand what the heck the deal with that is, but every time I catch one, it seems like they freaking start running straight at me. I'm like, dude, what the heck? I could not explain why they're doing that, but that one I had to freak it. Dude, I was reeling in 1,000,000 miles an hour. But okay, I need to just put my head down and fish. I'm gonna back up because I skipped some of these laydowns, thinking, oh, they're not on the laydowns anymore. And then I catch one on the laydown. I just randomly pulled up to this spot, and I was like, I'll just throw at this one. I threw, bam, I catch one. I'm like, son of a gun. Like, I mean, I'm happy because I have 3 keepers now, but at the same time, I'm like, why didn't I just freaking keep fishing? Like, sometimes you gotta fish, man. Like, they're not always gonna bite every they're not gonna bite every cast. So you just gotta figure it out, man. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Well, I hooked him, Probably a little bit too hard, but it is a very thick hook, so I had to make sure. I don't think he's gonna be 12, but oh shit, he's 12. That's our last keeper. Man, I did it. Dude, I'm so amped up right now. I got my final keeper. I mean, it's not much, but hey, it's a freaking fish, dude. Chill, brother. No, we're not gonna do all that wiggling. Put your tail down. No, put your tail down. We'll take it though. Okay. Oh, dang it. I'm sorry. We got a side view of that. I'm so bad at netting. That was the most embarrassing net job ever. You know, that's probably an upgrade. It's been really on. Fish number 6 for the day. The CV upgrade. Even if it upgrades me just a 1/4 of an inch, I'd be pretty psyched about that. Let's see. Oh yeah, sick, dude. All right, we'll freaking take it, man. Okay. 13 inches. That's an upgrade. I'll take it. Cannot complain. Worked hard, working hard for him. Oh shoot. Yes, baby. Yes. Yes, that's what we're talking about. We're making freaking moves. That's a long, he's ugly as heck, but he's long. That's what we're looking for. Try 16. Okay, so this one ugly fish, 16 inches. It's his tail is jacked up and cost me probably 1/2 inch, but we'll take it. We're not complaining. Not doing no complaining. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe. I got 54 inches and I placed 26th out of 100 anglers. So basically in the top 25, top 26%, however you want to say it. But basically, I'm right there. Those points are going to help me for Tournament of Champions qualification. I think that as long as I keep consistently fishing and I have 2 more decent finishes, I think that'll squeeze me in. So that's the goal. That was kind of the goal today in the tournament anyways, and also to kind of try and learn some new things, and I think that I did. I don't think what I did today was a winning pattern. I think in the future, I would look for stained river, not necessarily like feeder creeks. I think the feeder creeks, the fish just are too small. So anyways, thank you again, and we'll catch you later. Peace out.